Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Psych. But I am here to tell you about YouTube channels to help you diversify, get some Hispanic YouTubers in your life. And just a reminder that whenever you're watching YouTube videos, you should definitely have your parents approve them so that they can monitor what you're watching. So the first one is the Crafty Chica. Chica just means like girl, lady, and she is a YouTuber who creates really cool craft ideas. If you go to her playlist, she has all kinds of things. Painting, she does a glitter floor, and she even has a playlist called Chubby Girl Delights where she'll teach you how to make corn tortillas and things like that. The second channel I'd like to tell you about is that Reyes Family, and they are a family of 4 who just vlog about their life. Like for example, they talk about graduating from college for the parents and things like that. Just their adventures as a family. Probably my favorite on this list is Cake Bash Studio. This YouTuber, she is half Puerto Rican and half Dominican, and as you can see, a lot of her stuff is in Spanish, but if you go to her playlist, she has English playlists as well. And what I really like is that she's a baker, and so she creates pastries that look like pretty incredible stuff. And then we have Reality Changers. It's this guy who vlogs about his family, and they were actually invited on the Ellen show whenever the daughter was younger. And so they do a lot of music videos and things like that, and just vlogs about, once again, their family adventures. And then last but not least, there's Rockalingua. Now, I know, like I teach 4th grade, so I know the 5th graders, and you may be thinking this looks very young, right, for young kids. The thing is this is for basically anyone learning Spanish. So they have different music videos and things like that with pretty catchy songs that help you learn how to speak Spanish, if that's something you're interested in. And so it's great for kids of all ages, and especially my 5th grade people. You're going to be going to middle school next year, and you're probably going to have the option of choosing an elective for a language. So wink, wink. Good luck, guys, and I hope that you found some interest in these channels, and viva mi gente.